keep dancing.
I don't know. Hey! We are so glad to be here with you this afternoon. We know we're going to have a good time. Woo! We're going to take y'all around the world today.
Yes,
Hey,
please.
Polly, play some steel drum, man.
Hey, are we gonna dance?
We keep Polly busy today.
That's right.
Hello. Well, there's no time to count what I'm worth. I just left the planet Earth. Well, where I go, I hope there's rum. Well, not to worry, the monsoon comes. You know what? Where I go, I hope they got some tequila. Hey, and that little girl, remember the one named Sheila? Well, where I go, I hope they got some whiskey. So I like to visit my old friend Jack Daniels whiskey. Come. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Let me tell you, I don't know. I don't know. Let me sing it down. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano. Let's sing it low. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano. I don't know. I
Oh no.
don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano. Let's go. I don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano. Hey! I don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano.
Woohoo!
Well, how's everybody this afternoon? Y'all good out there? All right, beautiful. I do a tune called Great Heart. Hold on, let me grab another guitar.
This is the barbecue at the Oak Creek Association. What's today? July 14th.
I should mention, speaking of Great Heart,
Anyway.
if
Did you have fun, Olivia?
after this performance
Was that
and after
good?
the barbecue, you should head over to the Great Park.
All right.